Bongos are known as the herbivores because they can camouflage so well. Both males and females have those horns, and they grow on a single spiral shape. Also, all the way up on the hill at the very top is going to be a light tan colored antelope. That is a greater kudu. I can tell that was a female, that's because only the males have antlers, and they can grow to be about 6 feet in length. We're headed out of the Little Aturi Forest now and going towards the Safi River. The river is home to animals that like to live in and around the water. On the right, you might have to look backwards as we go by. There's a couple of hippos. Hippos can hold their breath for about 8 minutes at a time. And they don't really swim, they walk along the bottom of the riverbanks in search of food. On the left, these white birds in the water and on the islands are going to be pink-backed pelicans. Their backs do turn pink during mating season. And their wingspan can be about 9 feet across, which is about the width of the canopy right above our heads. On the left, some Nile crocodiles. Now, crocodiles like to live in groups called a basque. Crocodiles are ectothermic, which means that they regulate their body temperature based off their surroundings or their environment. So if they're too cold, they go up on the riverbanks to sunbathe, and if they are too hot, they'll go into the water to cool down. We're traveling away from Safi River now and going towards my favorite part of the reserve, and that's going to be the savanna. Savannah is home to animals that like to graze in the grasslands. So that includes things like antelopes, zebras, giraffes, and sometimes even their predators. On the right, there's going to be a couple of Hartman's Mountain zebras. I saw one walking all the way down there, but there's another one right here. Also a Maasai giraffe. Now that particular type of zebra doesn't have an extra flap of skin on its neck called a dewlap. And I can tell that that zebra is black with white stripes, and that's because its nose was black. I see some more giraffes on the other side, so we'll go over there and take a closer look at them. Maasai giraffe have a jagged edge to their spots. That's how we can identify that species. Dark gray antelope are going to be wildebeest. Wildebeest are also known as the gnu, spelled G-N-U, for a low grunting noise that they make. Wildebeest and zebra are part of the Great Migration, which happens across The African savanna every year, it consists of about 1.5 to 2 million animals. That migration is so large you can see it from space.
Wow, these things? Yeah, these things. I don't know.
Also on our left right here, these animals with the very large horns are Ankoli cattle, also named Watusi cattle after the Watusi tribe. The horns look very heavy, however, they are hollow and made of a honeycomb-like structure that regulates their blood temperature. So blood will go into those horns, cool down, and go back in their body. Some more of those Maasai giraffes on our left.
That's a baby giraffe.
These giraffes can get up to 16 to 20 feet tall on average. They have an 18-inch long tongue that you might be able to see as he slicks his lips right here on our left. The tongue is a purplish bluish color. That's so it does not get sunburned very easily. No one wants a sunburnt tongue. Their necks look very long, however they have the same amount of vertebrae as we do in our necks. A group of giraffes that we saw over there is called a tower. Over on our right, those very small antelope, they're tan, black, and white, laying down in the back in the dirt road back there, are springbok. Springbok can jump from a standing position about 8 feet high and 13 feet forward. Over on our left, all the way in the back, I see some mandrills by the back wall. Mandrills are monkeys. Really colorful faces. Think of Rafiki from The Lion King.
The monkeys, you see them? They're walking.
They are monkeys because they do have short, stubby tails. I can tell that most of those are females. That's because females are much smaller. They can get up to about 30 pounds, and then I did see a male back there as well. They can get up to about 100 pounds, so they're much larger.